Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about questions 6 and 7 for the semester 1 geometry review. What is the image of the point negative 3, 7 after reflection of the x-axis? All right, if you're one of my students, the trick I told you for the x-axis is to put your finger over the x. So the x stays the same because it's the x-axis. So the x stays the same and the y changes. So reflecting on the x-axis is going to give you the x stays the same, the y changes. Now, as a side note, if it was the y-axis, then the x and y, the y would stay the same because it's the y-axis, and the x would change. So in this case, it is the x-axis, so I'm going to keep the same x and change the y. So to keep the same x, it means I'll have negative 3. To change the y, that's going to give me negative 7. So my solution to number 6 is letter D. The image of point 2, negative 2, 3, under a translation of t is 3, negative 1. What is the image of 4, 2 under the same translation? Well, if I start at negative 2, then just think of like a regular number line. The way that I get from negative 2 to 3 is I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know I had to move 5 spaces to get from negative 2 to 3. If I start at 3 looking at the y's, and I'm trying to go down to negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go down 4. So I know that I'm moving my thing. I'm going to add 5 to the x and subtract 4 from the y. So now, since I have 4, 2, well, 4, 2 plus 5, that's going to give me 9. And I just put that 5 there. I'm going to throw this negative 4 here. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So this is what my point is, 9, negative 2.